taken a piece of paper and I've taken a CD. I'm just going to draw circle, and I need this 4 circles of same size, like CD size. And what we are going to do is we are going to cut this. You may use the same colors. What I have done, I have taken 2 colors, 2 pink and 2 design papers. So what we are going to do is first take the first one and just fold this exactly half. See that the above paper is aligned with the down paper. See, like this. Same you are going to do with the other 3. So once this 4 circles are done, what we are going to do is first we are going to take the pink one and then just place above the design one I'll place above the pink one like this to form a perfect square like this. And then I'm going to take, see this is above, and now I'm going to take this pink one which will be above this, like this. I'm just forming a square like this, okay? And then I'm going to start sticking, and then this design one I'm going to take, this is pink, so I'll take this down and like this circle. So this is how, and then stick this, okay? So I have glued this portion and I'm going to stick this like this to form a square. See this? And then I'm going to take my pink one and glue this like this. See this? I'm going to glue the white portion, the white paper, and then take the pink one. Just see that you're forming perfect square. Last one, what we are going to do is see that your circle matches right at the center, and the last one we are going to do is, like this is pink, we are going to take this down, okay, and the center should match like this, okay. See that it is a square, it's forming a square, the lines are forming a square, okay. And so this is how you will get your, once you have stuck this, now we are going to place like this. Once again, pink colored, and this both are pink, so one will be inside and the other will be outside, okay. This is how you will get your gift wrap. And what we are going to do, you can use this like an envelope too, and the square that you have got, what we are going to do is we are going to draw the square on the paper. This is like a card, you may use it like a card inside, and cut this. So this card is ready. See that it fits inside the square, and this is how I made this thing ready. Now what I'm going to do, I've taken 2 pieces of paper, purple and pink. I'm going to fold this into half, and just in my last video I had shown you how to make a hot air balloon. The same way we are going to take a heart shape, and then see this is half heart I have made, and I'm going to cut this heart. So this is how I'm going to get the heart. So this is the 2 color heart I have prepared, and on pink I'm going to write mom, and on purple I'm going to write dad. This is a card from mom and dad, and after making this, keep it ready. I'm going to take a strip of paper, just fold it into half like this, okay, and open that, you'll get the perfect half and the line in between. Just turn this like this. See the shape? V shape. Okay, and then just make this kind of steps. See this? So once this is finished and you're left with this last portion, we are going to just glue this on the top like this. Okay, and you will get this kind of spring thing, and we are going to stick this on this card. So now we are going to take the pink heart. I'm going to stick it on this spring kind of thing that we have made. Be careful. Okay, see this? It's popping up. It looks nice. And the purple one, again we are going to glue this right at the center and stick on the purple spring. So this is how the card is ready. And what we are going to do, we are going to keep this card inside this. This one will be one up, one down. Okay, once this is done, what we are going to do is we are going to put the satin ribbon like this. If you want to stick the satin ribbon, you can do that right behind. This is how you are going to tie the satin ribbon. So this is the gift wrap card ready. Hope so you like watching it, and I believe that you would also enjoy doing this. Thank you so much for watching.